Alright guys, welcome to a new video. This video was filmed in November actually, so we're reaching back in the archives. Finally got a chance to edit it. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy. So this video was early November. We got our first really good cold front and the water temperatures dropped. As you can see on the fish finder, water temps were about 58. So we decided to fish some deeper water and we ended up catching some really nice flounder, some redfish and trout. So being that it was November, flounder limit was 2 per person, so just keep that in mind. And I hope everyone's staying safe out there with the virus going on. So pretty crazy time, so if you can fish, do it safe. If not, I hope you all enjoyed the videos a little bit more. But yeah, I'm gonna keep pumping out videos, so let's get into it. Oh, big flounder, right? I think that might have been the one you lost. It looked pretty big. There's something right here. Probably a redfish. I see shrimp like flicking. I see shrimp jumping over here.
Where at?
Just straight ahead. Yeah. Oh look, there's something there too. Well, I don't know what that is. Oh, it's gotta be a red. Shoot. There we go. Yep. There's more than one, cause. So there's probably more than one, cause. Maybe. See how big he is. Ooh. Yeah, it's a little red. It's really close. Yeah, 22-inch red. Thank you.
Texas to...
Got one. Tree out. Soft bite. Little trout. Got it.
I think it's a flounder.
Yep, that's him. Yep, that's the one. Nice. Finally, might have been the one.
He hit it, you know, boom, and I just let it sit.
Mm-hmm.
And then I could see you swim around with it a little bit.
Yeah. Got it. Got it? Good one?
That'd be a big flounder.
Red. Oh, big flounder. Big flounder. Doormat. Nice. No, that's 20. Yeah. Let this trout go. How big?
19 and a half.
19 and a half?
Yeah.
Man, almost. Oh, good trout. It's a nice trout. A solid one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Man, he's been eating too.
Yeah. Look at that.
I know, that's what I was saying. Probably like 18 or 19.
Yeah.
sand trout.
Huh?
One. I think it's a sand trout. This side's even. He only has spots on his tail. Got one. Yep. Feels better. Yep, taking some drag. Might be a red. I don't know, might be a red.
Really? I was taking some drag.
Yeah, he's taking, it's like the second, third time.
Okay, probably red.
Yeah, I think it's a red. It's a pretty one. Man, you need to catch this one.
I know.
Thank you. Keeper. This is my second red. Solid one. Yeah, a little over 21 and a half. I switched to a 1/4 ounce jig head because of how windy it is. Yep, got something. Yeah. Might be a flounder. I don't know. Cause yep, good flounder. Yeah.
Right.
Cause it felt like I was like hung up for a little bit. Got something. Might be a flounder. Please be a trout. Flounder, good one. Good flounder. He's barely hooked. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah.
Glad I did that.
I know. Another good one. It's my second flounder, so this is my limit. Dad already caught his, so not bad.